So today in class we learn chapter 14 where we will be making decisions with the if statement and else statement. My name is Katie and I am going to be the driver of the session.
And my name is Sibusi, so I'm the navigator of the session.
Okay, let's begin. So over here we've got a document locate element by ID. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna
Nothing.
explain
Yeah,
this
carry on.
function basically. So here we've got the variable number pizzas equal to document dot get element by ID, num pizzas value, and then the type of pizza, the delivery city, and birthday. So basically, this line adds an event listener to the elements with the ID num pizzas. When this element is clicked, the place order function is triggered. Then we've got a function for place order over here. And this line defines the place order function, and then we've got a variable for num pizzas equal to document get element by ID. In this line retrieves the value of the element with ID num pizzas and stores it in the variable num pizzas. And then we've got a variable for type pizza equal to document get element by ID type pizza's value. So this line retrieves the value of the element with the ID type pizza and stores it in the variable type pizza. And then we've got our last document get element by ID, which is delivery city. Sorry, it's not our last one. So basically, this line retrieves the value of the element with the ID delivery city and stores it in the variable delivery city. And then moving on, we've got our birthday function. So this line retrieves the value of the element with the ID delivery city and stores it in the no. This line retrieves the value of the element with the ID birthday and stores it in the variable birthday. And then we've got our variable for order price, this code over here. So let me just see. This line calls the calculate price function with the num pizzas and the type pizzas as the arguments and stores the result in the variable order price. And then we've got our next variable, which is a delivery price, calculate delivery price, order price, delivery city, and birthday. This line calls the calculate delivery function with order price, delivery city, and birthday as arguments and stores the result in the variable delivery price. And then we've got our output over here. Thank you for your order. So this line initializes the variable, the output with a string containing a paragraph thanking the user for the order. And then we've got if delivery price over here, this code. This line checks if the delivery price is equal to 0, and then we've got our output over here. So basically in that code, if the delivery price is 0, this line appends a paragraph to the output indicating free delivery. And then we've got our else statement. So this line over here, our else statement. This line starts with the else clause for the previous statement, and then over here the output, over here this. If the delivery price is not 0, this line appends a paragraph to the output indicating the delivery cost. And then we got our document get element by ID, display total, and this line sets the inner HTML of the element with the ID, displays total to the output, and then we've got our function over here. And this line defines the calculate price function, and then we've got a variable named order price. In this line calculates the order price by multiplying the number of pizzas by 10 and stores it in the variable order price. And then we've got another variable called exchange charge, and this line initializes the variable extra charge to 0. And then we've got type pizza equal to supreme over here. This line checks if the type pizza is equal to supreme, and then we've got extra charge over here. This line initializes the variable to extra charge to 0, and then we've got our if statement. Wait, type pizza equal to supreme. And then over here we've got our extra charge. If type pizza is supreme, and this line calculates the extra charge by multiplying the number of pizzas by 2 and stores it in the variable extra charge. That code is so confusing. And then moving on, we've got order price plus extra charge over here. If type pizza is supreme, this line calculates the extra charge by multiplying the number of pizzas by 2 and then stores it in the variable extra charge.
No questions.
And then we've got our function over here. This line defines the calculate delivery function, and then we've got a variable delivery price equal to 0. So this line initializes the variable delivery price to 0. And then we've got another if statement, delivery city equal to any town over here. So this line initializes the delivery to be in any town. And then I'm going to create my own if statement over here. Just move this keyboard. So I'm going to create my own example. Sorry. I hope I'm doing this right. Does it look right?
Yeah. You created it, right?
Mm. And then it's just console log. Do I put anything there?
Console log. Let me see. I think it's right according to my eyes.
Wait, I think I'm wrong somewhere. Mm. It should be right. It looks right now. Ne?
Yeah. You need help? Oh, what's up?
Mm. I'll tell you if I need help. Just trying to figure out something.
Okay.
Hopefully this runs. So I must open my console and then how do I type in again?
Don't you call it and type in something? For example,
Yeah,
7 or number. Yeah.
let me try this. If I type in number, it must give me 7.
Let's see.
Mm-mm.
It's giving you what? A
F.
dash.
It's giving me F. Let me just see something quickly. But it's supposed to print out 7, isn't it?
Yes. Just type in another thing and see what happens. Type another word and let's see. Please go back to your code and let's see what's popping. So you have console.log, the number is positive. I think that only happens when it's a function. So yeah, it only happens when it's a function like this one, function delivery. When you're supposed to call it, just say delivery price and see what happens. Let's test it.
Where?
No, in the console. Type in delivery price. Is it the same code in your see? No, it's supposed to be one word. And uppercase P. Camel case. Okay, uncount error. Let's go back to your code. Return delivery price. Type in
Remember, that's
return
just my
delivery.
own example. Remember, we're supposed to demo our own example or something.
Oh, yeah. So,
Not
yeah.
delivery price.
But good job on doing your example, though.
We're leaving it there.
Yeah.
Okay, that is it for chapter 14.